guys, good morning to everyone. Yes, this is Okay family. This is the daughter of Lolo Naro, Mama Rosalyn.
Tarunga ba?
Yes, it's beautiful lady. This is my auntie, also Lorita, okay, Cades. This is my mama Marcelena. She's also my auntie. She's my cousin. Yes, my what? Kabuang ragon na ako.
First cousin.
Yes, this is my auntie also, Ate Bibi. This is my uncle, Kuya Junior. This is my cousin, Arlen, and this is my cousin also, Maricel. Okay. This is the son of my cousin. This is the daughter of my cousin. Okay. Yes, we're going to Kidapawan, North Cotabato. This is my
This is my daughter of my cousin.
The daughter of my cousin. Yes, you're right. Yes. Okay, bye and see you again in the next time. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe Hunter Achiever.
Don't forget to remember me.
Remember Hunter Achiever, my YouTube channel. Yes.
May kinainit no?
Yes, wow. I would like to greet this the morning. Ano kabuang ko din. Mga gwapa ang mga okay, di ba?
Basta di na masulod kay.
Yes, mga okay. Dili ay ang sa YouTube mas kigpila ka. Kan mas okay gani ang 15 minutes sa YouTube kasi ano, daghag ads.
Kita na po sinik.
Sa YouTube man ko mag-post. Sa YouTube man ko mag-post.
Kita na po sinik.
Sana all. Nagbanggit na niya. Okay. Madiskwito tayo.
Diri duhat war ni isa. Pila diha ang masulod apat? Apat, 8. Diri 3. Isay to bang Isay?
Isay!
Hi!
Hello, Isay! Yan. Hi, Twet! Wait! Istorya ka, wait. Sige na, wait. Sige na, wala siya sa mood. Kaya ka, magulang nagmata.
Nanagay nag-comment o sila. Nag-adto og Paris Day.
Mga nasin na day.
Nasin to day.